Deep in the haunted forests of Nuevo Leon, they say a nightmare takes flight after dark. Known as El Hombre Pajaro, he's no man, no bird, but a cursed shadow, trapped between worlds. His wings spread wide, silent as death, his eyes burning like hellfire. He watches from above, waiting. Many who've heard his blood-curdling screech vanish without a trace, their screams swallowed by the night. If you hear the flutter of wings overhead, don't look up, because once El Hombre Pajaro locks his gaze on you, your soul is lost forever. They say his eyes burn with hunger, and those who meet them disappear, never to be found again. What other legends would you like to hear? Leave it in the comments.